Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. And for those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge. So please stay tuned. In the previous video, we had a stock update on ticker symbol OCGN and also ticker symbol MMAT. We looked at potential approval from who. And we also looked at the dangers of investing in squeeze stocks and some of the strategies that you need to use, especially due to the high risk. So please refer back to the previous video. So before we start today's stock analysis, quick reminder for anybody who's not aware of the $1 Million Challenge. So this is a journey of an investment from $1,000 to $1 million over a period of 3 years using compound return investing. So we're looking at having 201 trades with an average return of 3.5%, and it's also based on compound return investing with losses taken into account. So it's not 201 continuous trades, it's 201 trades with an average return of 3.5%. In the Discord community, we also have a special spreadsheet with chosen stocks for the challenge. Many of them are low risk, so in order to avoid significant losses due to the compound return investing. Discord community is now over 300 and we have lots of help, especially for technical analysis, chart analysis, research, trading tips, due diligence, etc. So if anybody wants to find out more, there is a more detailed video in the description and also a link for joining. So please click below for details. Let's start by having a look at ticker symbol MMAT. There were some positive developments in the stock today. So we're going to start first of all by having a look at the chart. So on the screen here we can see the chart for the previous 3 months, and as you will be aware, at one point the price did go below $3 and a recent low of $2.91. So since then it has recovered. At one point it crossed the $6 mark. So currently it's trading around about $5.10 after close of market, and we can see a little bit of a cooling off in the RSI. However, going forward, I do expect the stock to break the $6 mark again. So hopefully with some catalyst that will happen. So let's first of all have a look at what happened today in terms of good news. And we did see the stock go up in excess of 3% today. Okay, so I'd like to share with you an article here from Business Wire. So this is dated September the 16th, 2021, and the headline here is United States Metamaterials Market Prospects Trend Analysis, Market Size and Forecast up to 27, researchandmarkets.com. So let's have a look at what has been revealed in this breaking news. So basically what we can see here, that this is a report in terms of researchandmarkets.com. So this is a report that is going to look at the United States metamaterial market. It's going to look at a custom intelligence competitive study of the United States market. So the report is also going to provide deep insights into demand forecasts, market trends, micro and macro indicators in the United States market, and also factors that are driving and restraining the metamaterials market in terms of the study. So it will be an in-depth business intelligence report based on qualitative and quantitative parameters of the market. The report is also going to be looking at market insights, detailed analysis of market segments to possible micro levels, and also in terms of manufacturers and suppliers of metamaterials markets in the United States. So this is overall good news for ticker symbol MMAT. It will give a positive information in terms of potential market share and market opportunity in the US, and certainly an addition into this report is a good sign. So finally, let's finish off by having a look at some of the key highlights that are going to be included in the report. It's going to look at demand and supply conditions, factors affecting the market, dynamics including drivers, restraints, political factors, economic factors, technological factors. We're looking at key trends and future prospects. We're also looking at market estimates up to 2027. The report is also going to answer questions such as the market size in the United States, factors that could affect the growth, competitive position in the US, opportunities in the US, and also modes of entering the US market. So a good overall study, which will give a potential insight into the market opportunities for metamaterials going forward. The next stock I'm going to provide an update for is ticker symbol LKCO, Luokung Technology. This is a stock that I am currently holding, and it is a stock that has been featured a few times on the channel. So let's have a look at the breaking news today, which was very, very positive. This is from Newswire here, dated September the 16th, and what we can see in terms of the headline, Luokung announces EMAP Go signs cooperation agreement with Microsoft for launch of autonomous driving services. So let's have a look at the details of this breaking news. So certainly having a look at this headline, it is very positive. So the key thing that is grabbing my attention, I think certainly the attention of all investors, is the partnership agreement or cooperation agreement with Microsoft. So the potential for this is going to be huge, but let's have a look at the details in terms of what the article is revealing. So second paragraph down, just summarize that for you. So under the terms of the agreement, EMAP Go will work with Microsoft to provide auto manufacturers with services including collection, storage, analysis, management and simulation, testing of autonomous driving data to assist automakers in the rapid implementation of autonomous driving technologies in China. EMG anticipates continue to work with Microsoft to provide these data service when large-scale commercialization of autonomous driving takes place. So this relationship between EMAP Go and Microsoft plan to use their expertise in each area of their respective fields to form a close cooperation that addresses the market opportunities presented in autonomous driving in China, creating an automobile industry solution designed for the Chinese market. So what this basically tells me is there is a strong agreement with Microsoft and EMG to focus on this autonomous driving for the China market. So the China market is huge. Agreement with Microsoft is also potentially a game changer for the business going forward. The opportunity is certainly going to be huge in terms of revenue, so I do expect the stock to make some significant gains going forward. So let's finish off by looking at the final part of the article, and again some bullish information here. And the next thing I'd like to draw to your attention is the statement here, which is saying that EMAP Go has already obtained service contracts from European car manufacturers and a US car manufacturer. These contracts are expected to be implemented in the coming months. So what that basically means, these are more catalysts for the stock. Once these are revealed, I think the stock price is certainly going to rocket quite up, possibly squeeze, we don't know. So who is this US car manufacturer? Is it Ford? Is it another company? We don't know. Who are the contracts with the European car manufacturers? Is it Volkswagen? Is it Mercedes? Who could this be? So once this is revealed, so the statement here is saying that is going to be expected to be implemented in the coming months. So that could be November, it could be December, it could be January, but the news is going to be revealed. So what that basically means for holders of LKCO, the potential for the long-term stock and the catalyst is certainly very, very positive. So just to finish off, the chairman and the CEO has stated the demand for flexible computing continues to expand. China's autonomous driving data service market shows significant room for growth, and they believe that EMG's core competencies in the maps is an ideal fit with Microsoft's advantage in cutting-edge technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, etc. So this relationship with Microsoft is intended to promote the development of safe and intelligent autonomous driving in China. So great news overall. Let's now finish off and have a look at the 3-month chart for ticker symbol LKCO. So we can see the stock was up close to 10% today. However, if we go back to the period just before July, we can see the stock was trading well in excess of $2.60. However, since then it has been trending down quite significantly. One of the key reasons for this is negative news with regard to China and political tensions, so that certainly has not helped the stock. We can see it's had significant amounts of support around the $1.30 mark fairly recently, and I think right now This positive news is certainly going to push it up more closer to the $2 mark is what we are hoping for. I think certainly around the July time, the sentiment and the outlook for the stock was much more bullish. Predictions, certainly my prediction at that time was around about $5. However, with this good news and with a possible announcement of partnerships with European and a US car market car developer to be announced, I am confident of this $5 target price to be achieved, maybe not by the end of the year, but certainly in early 2022. So still going to hold on to my prediction of the $5 price target. However, good news today, and just to finish off by looking at the chart here, right at the very end, we can see very significant green candle there in terms of positive momentum up. We can also see a huge increase in volume. So it was close of play today around 43 million. So excellent news for the stock and great potential for the future.